Hi guys, today I will show you how to disable auto opening application from the Chrome browser. As you can see from Chrome browser, I will search for YouTube. Okay, as you can see that the YouTube link is automatically opening the YouTube application which is installed into the system. So we need to disable this option. So for that you have to go in settings. In settings you have to search for apps and notification. In that you have to select advanced. In that you have to see the option default apps. In that you have to click on opening links, and in that you have to disable these options instant apps, and in instant app preferences also you have to disable if it is enabled. Okay, and if you are not getting this instant app preferences in your device, so you can and do it from Play Store also. In Play Store you have to go in settings. In settings general, in that Google Play instant, here you can disable this link if it is already enabled. Okay, now we once you have disabled that two options, you have to go again in that apps and notification. Here you have to advanced setting, here default apps, opening links, and you have to select the application which is directly opening from the Chrome browser. As the YouTube was automatically opening from the Chrome browser, so I will open the YouTube application. In that you have to click on open supported links. Here you can see that three options is given: allow app to open supported links, ask every time, don't allow app to open links. And here you at the bottom you can see the some of the links that will automatically open the YouTube application once it is found in the Chrome browser. So allow app to open supported links allow automatically to open the mobile application of that particular web link. And ask every time tells you every time to open that application, it will take your request and automatically open that application. And don't allow app to open the links will disable these features. As I have clicked on don't allow app to open links, then it will automatically open into the Chrome browsers. As you can see here, the Chrome browser has automatically opened the uh, YouTube in the website. Thanks for watching.